Peace talaga yung ano na.
Careful, ma'am. Slippery, ma'am, huh? Go on the stair. Ay, ang sarap ng feeling ng mayroong sasakyan. First time namin sumakay ngayon sa sasakyan namin. Uy, ang saya ko. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, babe. Thanks, everybody. Meron na tayong uupilan. Ay, kinikilig ako. Meron na akong bubuksan na pintuan. Meron na akong sasakyan. Oh my God. You know the feeling? Do you feel what I feel?
Nandun na yung mga anik-anik mo.
Lord.
Thank you, Lord, sa butterfly.
Yeah. This will be the first ride of our car. Oh my goodness. Ay. Oh, come inside, come inside. Bibig ko kayo. Where's baby Yana? There. Grandma mo ko. Yeah, si
Ang dami talagang space.
Where's Monty? Monty first ride. Everyone's first ride. Thank you, Lord.
Pala, eh,
Camera niya yan.
camera. Gumagana?
Ay, ba, syempre.
Gumagana?
Syempre. Pagka red naman akong, yung lipstick ko, red ba to? Pink. Babe, there's a fly inside, babe.
Huh?
There's a fly, big fly.
Open that.
Come on. My new driver. Oh, we got that one too? Wow, perfect.
I don't know whether it's gonna work or no.
Tell mo dito sit down.
In the middle, babe. Put in the middle.
Quite spacious actually, huh?
Yes, spacious. Do you like it, mom? Nice. Oh, my baby Yana, hindi na maano. Hindi na mainitan si Yana. Are you happy?
This is your car. You are happy? Patangin na ng AC.
Wala pa ko.
Just wait, AC.
Yes.
Oh, it's not working.
Happy?
Yeah.
Oh, say thank you, Dada.
Dada.
No, Dada has a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Good.
Na-appreciate naman yung pimples ko dito. Okay lang
Oh
yan.
God. That's
Got pimples.
Flower. What color?
oh yeah.
This is sunset.
That's yellow.
Roll.
You have to figure out, babe. We're going to Cheryl's house.
Surprise.
And we're going to the doctor.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
We're leaving.
Uy, Munti.
Jesus Christ, what happened to him?
He's excited. Okay, he's making a noise. I thought something from the car. What happened to you?
I forgot to bring my tripod. Sit down, anak.
Mas makulolo si Munti.
Sit down, anak.
Yes. Others.
Okay, 1 minute. Come. Come.
Down.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
You have to foil up.
Ano oras na pala? Sure, na Monty.
It's pretty. Hello.
That's Ellen.
Yeah, this car. Andito yung mga car nila, oh.
Meron na din tayo.
And we have ours. Beep, beep, beep. Here this way, baby. We're here. We're here at the mansion. Everybody's here.
Munti, umayos ka.
Pipindot siya ng maling ano,
Nainis ako sa'yo.
pinto. Wait, anak. Hold on. Oh, it's okay. Hold on.
Ma! Pupo! Ow!
It's
Ow!
wet. It's wet. It's wet.
Hindi alam ni Tita Shea. Hindi alam ni...
Walang may alam.
Akala niya grab. Oh, take ayan na also, babe. You first, anak. Guy. Hurry up. Okay, you first, mom. Oh gosh. Lakas ng ulan. Okay. Lastly ako, syempre, ang madam. Charot! Ang madam. Saan ba ko dadaan? Here. Is this lock now?
No, I don't know the car key.
Okay.
Keep this over here for now.
Ay, bubuksan ako ni sir. Where's Tata?
Look!
Hello, Kuya GM!
Tata
How are you?
My dad is not here.
Siyempre, hindi niya ako hindi niya ako hinag. Ate ko yan, kumusta nakatulog?
Yuri, naubos na pagkain natin sa dad.
Ha?
What happened, bro? Nagkakaroon.
We have a new car.
Yeah.
Congratulations! Let's go to Jollibee!
Magkano binili niyo?
Mura lang. O muna tanungin, babayaran mo?
To open my hand in the street.
What color?
Ngayon punta kami sa doktor. Babe, can I put it here?
Oh, where we have to go? How to go from here to Robinson?
Do you have any Google app? Punta kami sa sa Robinson kasi magpapaano kami check up. We go just here straight only.
Yeah, I don't want to get lost.
Just put Robinson Balibago.
Yeah.
So easy. Do they have a parking here? On this side. You can go on this side. Yeah, here. Okay, we're here. No?
This is like 3-4 days now.
Yeah, and it's oozing. See,
Yeah.
it's oozing. It's infected again. Okay.
I've been putting betadine all this time
Yeah.
and covering it.
Okay.
Okay.
Combination antibiotics, augmentin twice a day, and clindamycin 4 times a day.
Okay.
This is
Together.
yeah. You can take them together. Walang problema. Yan, okay. After lunch, after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, and before going to bed.
Okay.
Okay. This one is after breakfast and after dinner.
Okay.
Okay. Vessel dew is to increase the circulation there. Okay. Improve circulation 3 times a day.
Okay.
Celecoxib is a pain reliever. So if there's pain, you take it. If there's no pain, don't take it.
Okay.
It's twice a day.
Okay.
Then this one here is an ointment. Okay.
Yeah.
Mupirocin. You have to apply an ointment there at least 3 times a day.
Okay.
So before you apply the ointment, you have to clean it with betadine.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Okay.
Or can I clean it with hydrochloric peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Betadine.
Okay.
Okay. They're now trying to discourage the use of hydrogen peroxide because it burns the edges of the skin.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. Then this one requires a 10 hours fasting. Yeah.
All this time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
hours.
you need to be fasting.
So
Okay.
we can start the fasting tonight
Yeah.
and do
Then
it in
have
the
it done
morning,
tomorrow.
I'll do it on Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday my day off. So I'll
Okay.
do it on Thursday.
Okay.
So Wednesday fasting, Thursday blood test.
Okay.
Okay.
Tapos na kami mga chefs.
You want to buy something for the kids?
Now we can get something delivered.
Delivered?
Yeah, there's no Jollibee here. It's gone. You don't notice it, yeah? Don't you notice it? Come, ma'am, let's go inside the mall, ma'am. We're going to buy some medicine. Inside. Bye. Thank you. Siya ng gamot sa Mercury Drug. Wala na yung Jollibee dito. Ay, nandiyan pa yung sign. Siguro nag-renovate sila. Kasi wala na yung Jollibee. Mami dear, sama-sama. Gusto niyang malaman ang nangyayari sa anak niya. Kasi matigas ang ulo. Pagkatapos nito, pupunta kami kila She.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do you need something, ma'am? Do you need something?
Stocks for this brand, but we have other brand if you like.
Can you do we have a brand? And the ointment?
10 grams is 723, and then
Wow.
5 grams, 370 grams.
That's the ointment?
Yeah.
That's very
Can you give me
expensive.
the 5 grams?
Yeah, 5 grams.
And then can you just do half of all that? I didn't scratch, babe. It just happened.
That's why you have to trim your nails also.
I didn't scratch. I'm not stupid enough to scratch. It's because of the socks.
Yeah, you have to change your socks.
No, I stopped wearing the socks
Yeah, it
because
just
it was getting stick to the skin, and then that's what happened. After I stopped it, it just
This
became
699, sir.
6.
too much money to pay. Mahirap magkasakit. Tigas-tigas yung ulo eh.
Pero wag lang po sa dealer lang. Dealer lang.
Nobody. Yeah, but keep, it's a bad killer.
Number 3. Letter P po. Medium P ako. Wala po.
Just call me. Bigyan mo na ito. Para... You just add special deal, but just one strip.
I will help you, babe. I'll help you. We go that way. Magano tayo? Magpa-back up sa kanya. Tulungan natin. Ang bagal ni Mami Dear kasi nahirapan siyang pumasok sa yung paa niya kasi hindi niya mangat masyado. Ay, ano pa bang ginagawa ng isa? Okay, babe. Wait, the tricycle is here. Sige, babe, give. Okay, go, babe. Go. Go this way. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Ginawan ako. Okay, we're done. We're heading home. Nandito pa yung pimples ko sa pimple patch sa aking uso.
What was the right turn from here?
Yeah, just go straight, babe. Do we need the map?
The what?
The map.
No, just the right turn.
You don't remember before?
I think so.
Okay. On your right, I think.
Yes, that's the one. The cars are coming out.
Raining anymore
Any more for now?
for few hours, and then later it will rain again. It's just like that.
Yesterday also by this time it was not raining. I mean, it was, but and the rain started around in the night.
Do you know where to go now,
Yeah,
babe?
yeah. Okay, this way.
Slowly.
You know,
Well, ma'am?
near your house, there is one laboratory.
Yeah.
They are testing all the blood and all.
Yeah. X-ray and all that.
How much the charge?
For that one?
Yeah.
I don't know, 500?
Huh?
500?
Blood sugar?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I remember when I had that, babe. Remember when I had checked my...
Blood sugar is.
Over here they'll charge how much? 2,000 for the whole thing. The whole list he has given. Last time he charged 2,000, right?
Mm.
Very expensive here. Their blood sugar.
Sorry. Sorry, my bad. We will see Mario. Mario de Boro. Oh, babe, can you take a picture of me, babe? It's a good lighting here. It's a good lighting.
You're tired?
Kain tayo ng mangga galing Thailand. Bakit dalawa na to? Maghahapon ano lang yan? Ay, di ba't parang malambot na? Hinog na.
What are you doing? It's mango again?
Yeah, can you give me ano? Knife?
You finish your Jollibee. You finish your Jollibee.
Ito lang ano.
That's yours?
Yeah.
No rice?
Tiny rice.
Rice is life. No rice.
It's broken.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone broke that. Baka di pa yung matamis ay.
Malambot na eh. Tingnan mo. Mango.
We came from Thailand actually. Thailand.
10 days in Thailand.
Oh, I thought we came from
What's
Thailand.
up, baby? Wala naman ginawa mo dyan.
Use a plate at least.
See? Ah.
A dick.
Sweet. No, 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 no.
Why? Yeah, doctor said no sugar.
Kain tayo.
Mother first siguro.
Yeah.
Next you are moving, no? From the coffee.
What? I thought you went to Palau.
Yeah, she went to
She?
she
Bakla?
he went to Australia to
Yeah, but-
to throw the ash to the sea.
Who's?
Her aunt.
His aunt.
Yes.
Oh.
They went there to process all the
Tissue lang.
Is that like yung sugar niya?
Mm-mm.
Anong sin tissue mo? Ayun, okay. Ay, hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Hindi? Matamis na. Pero next week ko talaga yung hilaw. Yung sinog yung napunta. Ilang oras na yung travel, ha?
Salamin ako.
Ah,
Kinain ko yung dark chocolate.
konti lang, konti.